Deciding how much tidal volume should be given to a patient should be the decision of a physician, preferably of a pulmonologist, but this is one of those times where all hands on deck, and I want everybody who's working on a ventilator to know roughly what those volumes should be. So the numbers that most of my students have brought to me, the numbers that are currently used, are 5 to 7 milliliters per kilogram of ideal body weight. Again, ideal body weight. Now, we have an equation in our mind that gives us the weight of a patient in pounds. We can either convert that number to kilograms by dividing by 2.2, or we can just use the division of the 5 to 7 into pounds. So if we're using 5 to 7 milliliters per kilogram of ideal body weight, we can also use 2.7 to 3.6 milliliters per pound of ideal body weight. So if we have a 125-pound patient using that 5 to 7 milliliters per kilogram, or 2.73 to 3.6 milliliters per pound, we multiply 125 by 3, which gives us 375. 375 milliliters is probably a good starting point for tidal volume. Now again, this is not an exact science. A lot of times you're going to see numbers rounded off to the 10, to the 25, to the 50. And we're going to be checking all of our work. We're going to be making adjustments. So we don't have to be exact with this, but we definitely don't want to go too high, or we risk barotrauma and a host of other complications. So we don't want to go too low, or our ventilation is not going to do what we need it to do.